The accumulator, often known as parlay bets, is the type of wager where a bettor combines multiple betting options into one single bet. The factor to winning is that the success of the bet depends on all the included selections winning. That means to win an accumulator bet, all of the selections on that bet slip must come through before you can cash out your potential win. And the reason why they call it the accumulator is because as you combine the different betting options, the odds increase or accumulate to give bigger odds, which will in turn yield a bigger potential cash out. Because the cash out is determined by the multiplication of the total number of odds with the amount you staked on the bet. Some of you came to my DM on WhatsApp to tell me how you have been losing constantly, and these guys, each time they send their losing ticket to me, you'll see different nonsense betting markets like halftime results, exact goals, home team to win either half or both halves, correct scores, and so on. The first step to having successful accumulator bets every time is identifying the best football betting options to trade on. Knowing the best betting market to put your money on is an underrated soccer betting strategy that most people tend to unintentionally ignore when trading. Many betting options are close to being a bonus when you master them. Another advantage of sticking to specific betting options is that you can easily learn from your mistakes while dealing with those betting markets, instead of trading on different betting options in the name of trying your luck. In my opinion, the best markets to bet on are the over 1.5 goals. The over 1.5 goal option is easy to win because a large number of games produce more than one goal every match day. Also, the over 1.5 odds are very profitable when you find the best football league for the option and the value bet, which we will mention. I have made a video on the best football leagues for over 1.5 goals, so check it out, too. Under 3.5 goals market, trading on the less than 4 goals option is also one of the most profitable betting choices because many football matches produce less than 4 goals in a typical match day. Many leagues are very suitable for this market, like Serie A, Brazilian League, La Liga, and Ligue 1. But you have to be careful with the French League because there's a thin line between over 1.5 and under 3.5 there. For me, the over 3.5 goals option is one of the easiest to win with. All you have to do is master the goal-scoring form of leagues and most importantly the concerned teams. 3. Home or away team to score. The home or away team to score is one of the betting markets to profit with. You don't need to predict who is going to win or number of goals that will be scored. All you have to do is to tell if one team scores a goal against the opponent. I know most of the odds in these options are low, but there's no way that you won't see 2 or 3 sure games with surprisingly high odds every match day. 4. Double chance option. As we know, the double chance helps us to predict 2 results for matches out of the 3 possible outcomes. This betting option could be profitable in a situation where the favorite in a game is given high odds for a reason that is not clear. And in a situation where you know 2 or 3 of the most suitable leagues for the double chance. The best football for double chance for me this season is La Liga. It works 90% of the time for me. La Liga teams are quite easy to analyze, but the rate of bookings, especially the red card, is a problem. Now back to our perfect accumulator strategy. Most bettors do not know how to select low-risk accumulator bets that win. They are easily distracted by huge odds and the accumulator odds multiplier. The key to winning regularly with parlay bets is sticking to a specific number of odds and games, as well as the betting market. For example, my preferred betting odds for an accumulator is 2.5 or 3 odds or at most 6 when my stake isn't much, and my desired number of games per accumulator is 3 or 4. That's because most low-risk 2.5 odds bets contain 3 bets on average, while most 3 odds games have 4. If I were to select the perfect betting options for my 3 odds game, I'd select 2 over 1. 5 options, 1 straight win or double chance, and 1 under 3.5. For a low-risk 2.5 odds bet slip, I'd select 2 over 1.5 goals options and 1 under 3.5 goals or double chance option. Picking the 3 to 5 betting options that you think are easy to learn and sticking to them can be a game changer in your football betting life if you take it seriously. If you want to always achieve your desired number of selections with higher odds, you have to find value bets or value odds. Value bets, in my definition, use the selection that other bettors are scared of and the bookmakers are unsure of. I don't bet on odds below 1.20 anymore. I can't risk my ticket for that. For example, I'd rather go for an over 1.5 odds with 1.30 odds or 1.25, rather than go for an over 1.5 option with 1.19 or 1.15 odds, even if the latter is as sure as Manchester City versus Everton. The thing is, there are always some bets that look very sure as a bettor, but when you want to bet on it, you will see that the odds are strangely high. That's usually because the bookmakers are uncertain of the results due to previous meetings and current form, so they just give them high odds, and most bettors run from these types of games. We have talked about it in previous videos. Form analysis is the solution to finding value bets. For example, in this match between Alaves and Villarreal, the over 1.5 option was so high, maybe because both teams are in bad form, and Alaves might have a problem scoring back, but once I saw the bet and the odd, I knew it was a bonus because Villarreal does not have a good defense but they can score goals, and Villarreal concedes a lot but almost any team can score against the current Villarreal. Just learn to be familiar with team traits and patterns. If you want to win most of the time with accumulators, you have to be intentional with your selections. Never select games because of the team's names or the bookmaker's odds. Only select based on present form and past head-to-head matches. In addition, manage your budget in a way that allows your money to accumulate very fast. If you do this and master the betting strategies whilst also considering the best football league for each betting option, you will be surprised at how easy it is to make money with football betting while staking on small odds. For those that don't know yet, our book, The Football Betting Bible, is out. Both the ebooks are for phone and laptop users and the physical book is for those who want to have a physical copy. This book will reveal to you every secret about football betting and how to make daily income with football betting. Click on the link in the description box or the comment section to get the link to buy yours. Buy yours now and become a pro bettor instantly. You don't want to miss it.